Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Rich. You're watching the Suburban DIY YouTube channel. We're back in the bathroom taking our next step in the bathroom renovation project. Get you caught up really quick. We've just completed roughing in the new plumbing where we've got for the tub, the shower, as well as the hot and cold water. Everything's operational, looks really good, and we are now ready for today, which is to put the walls up and some niches and a couple other unique things you'll see along the way. In other words, we're ready to put the walls up in advance or in preparation to tile all the way up to the ceiling. Thanks a lot for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up or write a comment below. It really helps out the channel. Let's get started.
This concludes Part 6, the shower and tub walls. Next is Episode 7, the tiles. Be sure to subscribe so you'll be notified when it posts. If you want to see more videos where we fix a lot of different things, check out the Fixing Cool Things playlist. Thanks for watching.